Facebook, your business needs it. Facebook is huge. Billions of users. Are you reaching them? Facebook ads can help. Target your audience, get your message seen, grow your business. Think of it like this. Shouting in a crowd, no one hears you. Facebook ads, it's like a whisper directly to your ideal customer. Powerful stuff. Let's dive in. Campaign setup. Let's get started. First things first. Facebook Ads Manager, your command center. Go there, click create. Now, what's your goal? Website visits? Sales? Pick your objective. Budget time. How much can you spend? Daily or lifetime budget? Choose wisely, then set your schedule. When do you want your ads running? Don't. Targeting. Finding your perfect customer. This is key. Facebook knows a lot about its users. Use that to your advantage. Age, location, interests, target, target, target. Imagine this, selling dog toys. Don't show your ads to cat lovers. Target dog owners. Specific is better. Facebook even has a lookalike audience feature. Find people similar to your best customers. Genius. Crafting your ad, grab their attention. Your ad needs to stand out. Think about it. Scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. Boom! Your ad stops them in their tracks. How? 3 things. Visuals, copy, call to action. First impressions matter. Make it count. We'll break down each element in the next sections. Get ready to unleash your creativity. Section 5. Images and videos. Making it pop. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and videos even more. Use high-quality visuals. Grab attention. Show off your product or service in action. Think about your own Facebook feed. What makes you stop scrolling? Stunning images, intriguing videos. Don't be afraid to experiment. Find what works for your brand. Section 6. Words matter. Writing killer ad copy. Visuals hook them. Copy reels them in. Keep it short and sweet. People are busy. Get to the point. What's the benefit? Why should they care? Think about your audience. What are their pain points? How can you solve them? Use strong verbs. Create a sense of urgency. Make them want to learn more. Section 7. Action time. Tell them what to do. Don't leave them hanging. Tell them what to do next. Shop now, learn more, sign up today. Clear and concise. Make it easy for them to take action. Think of it like this. You've got their attention. You've told them why they need you. Now guide them to the finish line. A strong call to action is crucial for conversions. Section 8. Tracking what's working, what's not. You launched your campaign, now what? Track those results. Facebook Ads Manager is your friend. It gives you all the data you need. Clicks, impressions, conversions. Know your numbers. Think of it like a scoreboard. You need to know if you're winning. Are people clicking your ads? Are they buying your product? Track everything and adjust accordingly. Section 9. Optimization. Making your ads even better. Data doesn't lie. Use it to your advantage. Not getting the results you want? Time to optimize. Tweak your audience. Refresh your visuals. Test different ad copy. Think of it like fine-tuning a race car. You need to make small adjustments to get the best performance. Don't be afraid to experiment. Find what works best for your business. Section 10. Final tips. Crush it on Facebook. Facebook ads are a powerful tool. Use them wisely. Test different ad formats. Target website visitors with retargeting ads. And keep your ads fresh. Remember, consistency is key. Don't give up after a few days. Keep learning, keep testing, and most importantly, keep crushing it on Facebook.